Oh, hi there. I didn't see you. Welcome back. Today, we're unboxing an Acer 511 C734T. This is another touch model, 4 gigs of RAM, 32 gigs of storage, 50 watt-hour battery. Let's open it up, take a look. Now, I think this has an N4500 processor as well. I think we might need to watch a tutorial on how to open boxes first. Wow, look at the detail they put into the texture on the back cover here. It's like alternating tire tread marks across the whole thing. Nice. I love the feet on the back of these when they go all the way across, and they're a little bit higher, so there's a little lift that'll give us an angle on the keyboard. I like that. Separate keyboard. Ooh. Feels like I'm popping little bubble wrapping. These larger keys have a lot more tactile bump to them than these small keys at the top row. What do we got for ports? Both sides, USB-C, USB-A, micro SD card, headphone port. No buttons on the sides. We have one power button. The hinges on this feel solid. There's no bounce. Where I put the lid, it stays. I like that a lot. Cool, let's plug it in. This device uses a 65 watt adapter. Definite click when I plug it in, that's nice. Very quick to boot, nice. That touchpad feels really nice. The texture on this, it feels buttery smooth. I wasn't expecting that. This might be my favorite feature so far. Very good. Nice and clear. I suspect this LCD is a pretty common touch LCD. Let's take this bezel off and see. Oh, I like that there's no adhesive. That's great. I was surprised because it's pretty tight to the back cover. I couldn't even tell where it came apart at first. No clips broken? Nice. If I can do it, you can do it. For sure. I think this looks like a simple LCD 9494. It's one of the pluses here. This is a really common LCD. Yeah. LCD 9494. All right. And then before we open up the bottom cover, these hinges have 4 screws on both sides attaching it to the back cover here. That's a good sign. These tend to be problematic and tear out of, or the anchor will tear out of the back cover. So that's nice that they did that. Some nice reinforcement. Much needed. Cool. All right, let's open up the bottom. There's quite a few screws holding this on, which is probably a point for sturdiness. And it looks like none of these are captive, they all come out. I don't think I mentioned it, but it's rubberized all the way around the edge of both the top and the bottom. And there's definitely more screws around the entire device than your average Chromebook. There we go. Around the top first, it looks like. Nothing broken. Oop. Nothing's holding the battery in after you take that bottom off. Let's take a look. Wow, literally nothing is routed under anything here. You can see even here, the cables, LCD and Wi-Fi cables, routed through the hinges. I can see them all the way through. I mean, this is going to be a dream to repair. You do have to take the hinges out and bend them back to get to the boards, but I don't mind because they have screwed these in deep into the palm rest, a full, I don't know, 1.5 inches, 2 inches this way. I love that. This is great. And right through, the hinges are going right through a reinforcement bracket that covers both the USB-C and the USB-A brackets on both sides. All right. Well, this one was a pleasure to do. So overall, I'm going to give this device a 5 out of 5. And for some of those same reasons, I'm going to give it a repairability score of a 5 as well. I can't think of a single thing that's going to make this challenging to repair. Some of the features that give it points for me are going to be the hinges being screwed deep down into the palm rest for leverage. Also, the fact that there was no adhesive to take the bezel off, no screws holding the battery in once the bottom cover is off. There's nothing I really would have changed here. So a 5 out of 5 on repairability as well. Well, that is the Acer C734T. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time.